Hey guys, and welcome back for another video. Today we're going to be slaying this sexy loose wave lace wig courtesy of OMGHerhair. She happens to be a 360 lace wig, and you guys know that means you can put her up in high ponytails and buns, which is definitely the icing on the cake. So what I'm showing you here is the wig straight out of the box. Absolutely gorgeous, and to set it off, they've already bleached the knots, so you don't have to do much work. This is the back, and we're going to cut off the excess lace back there, and this is what it looks like once you've cut off all the excess lace in the back, as well as adjust the straps. So on, she's absolutely gorgeous. This curl pattern has you summer ready, super sexy, and just ready to go. I'm showing you a close-up of what the hairline looks like. Obviously the wig is pre-plucked, and honestly I did not have to do anything. Normally I still kind of go in and pluck a little bit, but with this one I definitely felt like I was good to go. If you're interested in this wig or any other wig I've reviewed for this company, you can use code Ashley10 at checkout and you get money off. If I did not mention, she's 180% density, 20 inches in length, and they did send over a medium size cap. Now what I will say is that the cap did fit me a little bit bigger, so next time I will opt for a size small, just so it can be nice and snug like I like majority of my wigs. Also, if you want, you can tint the lace. You guys know in majority of my videos I always tint the lace, and this one I opted not to just because I kind of feel like, you know, I always do it. So today I kind of just wanted to do something different and rely on the powder that you'll see I'll put on at the very end. The parting looks amazing where they bleach the knots, but the hairline is a little bit too light for my complexion, but you're going to see me fix that in just a moment. So while I've been talking your ear off, giving you all the tea on this lace wig, I've also been customizing the wig, so multitasking at its best. Here we are going ahead and cutting off all the excess lace. Again, I love the way they pre-plucked this wig, and I did not feel the need to cut off any or tweeze any of the hairline, but if you do, I would recommend that you tweeze before you go ahead and cut the actual excess lace off the front. So one key important step that I rarely show in my videos is cleaning off the area that we're working with. In this case, it's my big old forehead. I did take off a wig that I had on previous, and I also have makeup on, and I just feel that it always sticks much better whenever there is a clean surface with no product, no buildup, no nothing, and it just looks better, you know what I mean? So here I have a little bit of Got To Be Glued spray, and I went ahead and sprayed it along the hairline. I let it get tacky for about 10 seconds, maybe 15, and then I went ahead and adhered the wig to my head. Always when I do this, I love to go ahead and add a stocking cap. You can go ahead and do your baby hair before you do the, not a stocking cap, a scarf or my styling strips around the hairline. Again, this is a size medium cap, so you may find that, or I personally found that it was a little bit on the bigger side, but to be 100% honest, I always prefer my wigs to be a little bit bigger than to be too small, because if it's too small, it's just not going to look right at all, whereas when it's too big, I can always finesse. They also included an elastic band, and I'll show you guys that in just a few moments, and you could definitely add that, and that will make a huge difference in how your wig fits. So for styling the length of the hair while the hairline, the baby hair, and all that sets, I went ahead and just used a little bit of my Nairobi foam lotion to go ahead and set off those curls. And you guys can see the left side was styled and the right side wasn't. Still awesome, not a huge difference because this hair is absolutely gorgeous. Nonetheless, it did, you know, make them pop a little bit more, give it a little bit of shine. And this is what it looks like at like pretty much a minimal install. I did go ahead and do some twisties on this, but I just wasn't feeling it. It wasn't the hair, it just was my own personal styling, but you can kind of see a little bit of the parting. I also did decide to go ahead and do some baby hair around the hairline just to camouflage the lace a little bit, and then I opt for gold bobby pins as my style of choice. So I think I used maybe like 7 or 8. Let's see how many I used. Now you can do this in so many different ways. I did get the inspo from Latoya Forever. You guys have definitely seen me do bobby pins on this channel many times over the years. I did the black bobby pins in a similar way. I think I've done silver or gold before. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong. It's been a while. And I also have done the colorful bobby pins, which I still have in my drawer, but I really like the way the gold looked for this look. I wish I would have done this sooner, but this is definitely going to be a favorite style over the summer. So far we have 4 in, and we're going for our 5th. And then I'm going to cross it with 2, making what, 7? Yeah, about 7. So pretty much I did 7 on each side, and I just styled it how I saw fit. There are so many ways you can style this, so many things you can do. If this is too many, you know, if it's too high up, if it's too low down, if you want more, it's all about preference. This is just a little bit of inspo for you to go ahead and style it for yourself. Okay, so I am done. Now I've been holding on to these for a little while, and I'm excited that I finally got to use them. And they are these gold, really pretty gold, what do you call these, bobby pins. I got these from Sally's, and aren't they so nice? Now I went in there, and if you know me, like my babe knows me, I am literally the most indecisive person on the planet. So I literally was in Sally's walking around with both the smaller ones and the larger ones. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference, because I knew I wanted to do this video, and I knew that I wanted, and I didn't know how each one would look. Like I couldn't open it up in the store and like test it out. So I was like, should I get the smaller ones or larger ones? Smaller ones or larger ones? So I kept it while I shopped, and in the end I got both, which I don't mind having because these don't expire or anything. And this is a really cool trendy look, so I definitely will be using both over the years. The smaller ones work for the side like this, but I seen on Instagram and with my inspo, I've done this look like years ago, I want to say, on this channel. So there's a video or 2 lurking around where I have bobby pins in my hair, but just the gold ones currently. I did get the inspo from Latoya Forever. She did an Instagram post, and I think I reposted it to my story saying inspo. I think that was like maybe almost a month ago, so it has taken me a while to get around. I do think she used the bigger ones, but she had like a deep, super duper deep side part, and the bigger ones looked better. But because I kind of just wanted to do the side of the ear, I think the smaller ones were more complimentary. Now as far as the actual hair goes, super duper easy to install. If I did not mention, the wig did come in a package like this. Lily sent me 2 wigs, and then they were in a box, but I got rid of the box already. And she is 20 inches, 180% density. Of course, she was a 360 lace wig, as you guys seen. And it was a medium cap. Now the cap did fit a little bit big on me, but as always, I always make it work. A lot of times I will get messages from a lot of you who will say, what size should I get? And it's like, you guys don't tell me the circumference of your head or anything. And I'll just let you know, I get a small, but when in doubt, get a medium, because you'd rather be a little bit too big than a little bit too small, if that makes any sense. But if you just email me and say, what size should I get? There's no way for me to help you. They also included an adjustable elastic band, and it looks just like this. I could have attached it, but I definitely did not need it. The back of the wig fits my nape super awesome. Yeah, and I hope you guys like this one. I absolutely love it. I think it looks so good. I wish I would have took these bobby pins with me to Missouri, because this is a super cute look. Everything that I use is listed in the description bar. I apologize for being a little bit winded because I am pregnant and baby girl is pressing on my body and I can barely breathe. But yeah, link to the wig in the description bar, as well as including all the details on it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.